Hey guys, let's talk about Pythagorean triples. Pythagorean theorem says if we have a right triangle, a squared plus b squared will equal c squared. We're going to use that here. So we have a triangle. Let's give this side a length 1 and this side a length 2. And let's find out this last side length. We're going to do a squared plus b squared equals c squared. 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, and then this is just c squared. 1 plus 4 is 5, and that's still equal to c squared. We square root both sides, and this side becomes c. So this last side ended up being root 5. We can do the same thing if we choose 1 and 3. We do the calculations, and we find out we have a 1, 3, root 10 triangle. We can also do it with 2 and 3. We're getting a lot of right triangles with irrational hypotenuses, root 5, root 10, root 13. And most right triangles will have an irrational hypotenuse, but they don't all have an irrational hypotenuse. So if we look at a right triangle with sides 3 and 4, the hypotenuse would be root 25, and that is 5. This is called the Pythagorean triple because all 3 of the sides are whole numbers. And there are an infinite number of these. Here's another one here, 5, 12, 13. And here's another crazy one, a 20, 99, 101 triangle. Look at how close these are to each other, 99 and 101. And then you got the 20 over here, but it works. So how do we find all of these? 20, 99, 101? You'd have to try so many different combinations to get stuff like this. These are not being found by brute force. There is a more elegant way to find these. Every single Pythagorean triple follows this pattern. If you choose two integers m and n, where m is bigger than n, one of the shorter sides of the triangle is going to be m squared minus n squared. The other leg will be 2 times m times n, and the hypotenuse will be m squared plus n squared. You can choose any integers for m and n that you want. Let's do 9 and 7. There's nothing special about these. I just chose these randomly. So let's plug in 9 for the m's and let's plug in 7 for the n's. 9 squared minus 7 squared is 32. 2 times 9 times 7 is 126. And 9 squared plus 7 squared is 130. Now we have a triangle that would be a 32, 126, 130 triangle. This is a right triangle with whole number sides. It's a valid Pythagorean triple. And we can do the calculations and see that it does check out. And this will work for any integers you want. We can even do large numbers like 420 and 69. The smallest side would be 57,960. The medium side would be 171,639. And the largest side would be 181,161. And after we do all the math, it checks out. This is how they find Pythagorean triples. Thanks for the request. You guys are awesome. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.